this part, we will showing you how to set up the PIX-E5 onto the different cameras when you want to record onto 4K. So we will taking 3 cameras from Sony this time. So which is the A7S, the PXW-X70, and also the PXW-FS7. So now the setting now with the E5 is the X70. So how can we set up with the 4K recording? It's very easy. So okay, go to the menu, and then just only need to set 2 things. So you go to the icons with 2 arrows. First, you have to set the file formats into the XAVC-QFHD. So now once you do that, okay, so it's complete. And the other thing is, you have to go to the video out and then to set, because the X70, you only can have the 4K output through the HDMI. So you have to set to HDMI first. And the other thing is the SD HDMI, and then you have to set into the 216p, and then which is like this. So once you set up, okay, so your camera, so your PIX-240 can record on 4K. So now the PIX-E5 is connected with the A7S. So if you want to set the E5 and then record on 4K, so it's very easy. So first, you have to make sure that on the top dial, which is you can set also the program, shutter, priority, all those kind of stuff. You have to set this into the movie mode first. Otherwise, you set everything up and then you never ever got like a 4K out to the PIX-E5. So make sure that this dial have go to the movie mode first. Okay. So then go to the menu. In the menu, you see all those kind of like maybe an icon on the top. So go to the last icon, and then okay, go to page 3 here now, and then okay, at the bottom you will see the HDMI 4K output. So once you go to it, and then you turn into 25. So now your HDMI out is actually go into 4K. It's that simple. So we are now connected with the FS7. So the FS7, because they have a cinema 4K and also the UHD. So let us talk about how to set this up with the PIX-E5. Because the FS7 can have the HDMI output onto the Cinema 4K, and the PIX-E5 can also support Cinema 4K. So let me show you. Okay, so in the FS7, you only need to do is go to the menu. Okay, go to System. First, set your recording format into 4K or the Cinema 4K first. But you have to make sure that because the PIX-E5 does not support the 50p, so you have to choose rather the Cinema 4K 25p or the QHD 25p. So let me choose the Cinema 4K 25p first. Okay, so once you do that, and then you go to Video Out, and then you go to Output Format. Then you can choose the Cinema 4K HDMI out or the QHD HDMI out. But make sure that if you choose the wrong one, which is the Cinema 4K 50p or maybe the QHD 50p, and then you choose this, and then you will find out the PIX-E5 will not detect any video input. So it's that simple. Remember, go to Set. And then your file, your screen, your PIX-E5 is now record on Cinema 4K.